Hi everyone, welcome back to Launch Space. Today we are diving into something that stumps a lot of people when they first encounter it, finding the domain of a function. Specifically, we shall solve the domain of the function f of x is equal to 1 over x square minus 3. Grab a pen and paper, let's get started. Before we dive into this function, let's clarify what's a domain. The domain of a function is all possible values of x that you can plug into the function without breaking it. Breaking it, yeah, that happens when we divide by 0. Try to take the square root of a negative number in real numbers. For today's function, f of x is equal to 1 over x square minus 3. We shall only worry about dividing by 0. Let's zoom in on f of x is equal to 1 over x square minus 3. The denominator is x square minus 3. To avoid division by 0, we need x square minus 3 not equal to 0. X square minus 3 should not equal to 0. Let's solve x square minus 3. Let's solve x square minus 3 is equal to 0. Find the value of x that makes the denominator 0. Step 1. Add 3 both sides. Take the square root of 3. So, when x is equal to positive root 3 or x is equal to negative root 3, the denominator becomes 0 and the function is undefined. Now we know the two trouble spot x is equal to root 3 and x is equal to negative root 3. The domain is all real number except these two values. In interval notation, we write the domain as negative infinity to negative root 3 union negative root 3 to positive root 3 union positive root 3 to positive infinity. And that's it. The key is identifying the value that make the denominator 0 and excluding them from the domain. Let me know in the comment, did this explanation click for you, or do you have another function in mind that you would like us to break down? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Launch Space for more tips, and share with your friend to sharpen your understanding of math and science. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.